Traffic light tutorial, part 2. Um, this project I'm going to show you how to make the traffic lights, how to make them work, and also toggle a blocker that prevents the cars from driving over a red light. My music got softer. Okay. First, I'm going to start with this video by showing it that it actually works. Whatever you see in the camera is those lights you can't see in the scene. Green, green, orange, orange, red, red. Then goes green, green. Turn around, orange, orange, red, red. Now that goes green and that one is green. See, it works. Now as a video proof where I did the project. If it crashes again. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible for better upload speed and yeah, so I don't have to redo the video again. First, but traffic, no, actually I started with the lights first. In the setup tutorial, we ended off with the north and east lights inside another object called traffic lights. Just remove it. The traffic lights pokes the thing a bit. I originally had a method to have it work with the traffic lights, but now it doesn't want to work. So this is the method that works. I'm going to show you how to do one light, because all you have to do is copy it over again and then apply it north, then it will automatically apply to east. First of all, the traffic light, actually let's start here. Go to FSM and rename the thing now traffic light FSM. And also this one will be called traffic light FSM. Just add ball in the middle because this thing does nothing. Yep. Let's go to edit prefab. In the north over traffic light that I have placed on the right or here as a start, and it starts with get name, a state called the get name, and it has a finish statement that goes into here, into toggle. I'm going to explain to you what happens. Get owner gets the actual object, in this case north. The problem with prefabs is you can't select south, or at least I couldn't figure out how to select south. And that's why you have to use get owner to get the south and store it in an object uh, or a variable called object that has the type game object. And then you use the get name action to target object or use the object and store the name as a string variable. And with that, after that finished, you go on to the next state, which is called toggle, and you do a string compare. You compare the name string variable to the text north, because my prefab or this object is called north, which is the one direction. Okay, it's a direction. It's not the one direction band. Um, and oh, damn it, where am I now? Here we go. Sorry, it's one direction. Basically, this is to group the north lights, and you create two new events called activate north and deactivate east. They are not global events, and do not make them global events. You're gonna suffer. Um, when the string is equal to, you activate north, which means you activate only one set of traffic lights, and not equal, you deactivate east. This is also required to set the to initialize the variable. Uh, yeah, to initialize the variable. I'm going to show you which variable now. You create a state. I'll quickly do it to show you. Ah, I'm not. Yeah, click. Control click. You create a state. Just control right click over it. Add a global transition. You can activate like that. And also, if you want to add a finish statement, you just control and click on the thing. Activate and deactivate. Activate north and deactivate east. We are responsible to set a bool value, a bool variable called path activate, and this one should set it and this should deactivate it. This can help with the fact that you have two different sets. This will make sure that one set activates and the other set doesn't activate when you tell it to activate or deactivate. And then you just create an event called toggle path that is a global event. It has to be, because something else will call it. And for that event, you add the action bool flip. Basically, it will swap the value of the boolean that's you give it. You give it path activate, so every time toggle path gets called, this value, if it was true, becomes false. When it becomes true, when it becomes false. This is the way you. Okay, that bird's annoying. This is how you toggle each lane. I think I'm gonna divide this video into 3 parts to keep it smaller and to prevent any crashes, because I don't want to redo a video. Into 3 parts because of the north, the light switcher, and traffic light manager. I'm gonna do one video for each. So this will conclude traffic light video part 2, step 1. Step 2 would be the light switcher.